Hey guys, Ian here, Bannershed Media. We're hanging out here at Riv Classic Car Sales in Saskatoon, 2634 Faithful Avenue. And I want to show this truck. We had this truck at the 64th Annual Dragons Car Show Easter weekend here in Saskatoon. And it's going to be, well, probably a few weeks here thereafter Easter when this video gets posted. So anyway, I want to talk to you about this truck. I needed to talk about something. This is what's happening today. You can see that. Garbage, snowing. I think this is our 11th winter, so it feels. Anyway, okay, so let's get back to this truck. So I am not a huge truck fan because I just like cars. But this truck, when we had it at the car show, so we had the Trans Am at the car show, the black hot rods through that door, and then we had this 67 Hemi GTX at the Dragons. It really made me look at this truck. I know Rick has had it for quite some time, just in his personal collection, but now he's decided to move it along to the next person. This truck is super trick. Now it is 54 panels, so it's not chopped. It's unmolested steel, which I think is a bonus for sure. Lots of these, can be chopped. Now it does definitely have shaved door handles and different mirrors and things, but underneath the panels, it is custom. It has different frame. It has 4-corner coilover suspension, a 4-link in the back with a Ford 9-inch under the hood. I'll show you all this stuff too, but it is a 350 Chevrolet engine with a turbo 350 automatic. It has air conditioning on it. It has the top for the box is electric. It has a wooden inside within the box. This is a cool truck. Front discs and rear discs with electric emergency brake, which I'll get underneath. I should be fine. Custom paint, obviously different rims and tires. But I just never stood back and just kind of took it all in. So like I said, it's been in Rick's collection here for a bit. So we'll start with, I guess we'll go under the hood first. It's already open-ish, so here we are. So we have a really nice clean engine bay. Firewall's been smoothened. It has factory, HEI GM distributor, I should say, so electronic ignition, which is awesome. Now, some people may be not okay with a Chevy engine in a Ford truck. Well, that's how it is. So again, you want to, it seems as though everybody's getting a little bit grouchier on the internet. You can't hurt my feelings. You can have your opinions. It's fine by me. But this is the way it is, so just deal with it. So this is cool that the air conditioning and the heater hoses, they go into this fender and they go nicely, tucked away. You don't really see them until you get into the inside, which I'll also show you. We have hooker headers. They're block huggers, I think is what they call them. They're a shorty style. That's a March serpentine pulley system, electronic fan. Yeah, and it's got fast fuel injection. So it's got throttle body fuel injection, power steering with rack and pinion, and then the aluminum rad. Obviously, the condenser is here for air conditioning. This truck, I should say, sorry, my mistake. This truck is done really, really well. Tubular upper and lower control arms. You can see the coilovers, which I'll get underneath and we can have a look a little bit better. It runs with fuel injection. It definitely will run or start easier as a carbureted vehicle would. But yeah. So let's get, and this one has, and I think this is a great feature, it has inner door handles. If the battery would happen to go dead and you had, you have the option of having this handle in there, I mean, it would be handy. Now, we always park it with the windows open, just for whatever reasons. I mean, it's inside and everything's safe and clean, I should say. So it's got an upgraded instrument cluster, which is all digital, which again, I think it looks super slick. The seats are custom. I mean, everything's custom. It's I think it's Steering column, everything is it's got a push button start, which is why it's lit up there. It's got heated seats here and there. There's our AC and our heating system coming through this custom component. It's got the armrest, cup holders, power windows, power locks. This truck is done very, very well. And there we have the remote. And I want to say, yeah, this is for sound. This is for sound. So it's got the sound system in here. There's our kick panel speakers. I think that there's something hiding underneath the seats. So we'll have a peek there. Very cool. Custom leather. Yeah. This is neato stuff. Remote entry, like I said. I think I got all this. I did it. Columns, power windows, air conditioning. Yep, I got it all. All right, so let's have a peek underneath. So there's the Ford 9-inch with the 4-link. It's got a 2.5-inch exhaust system, dual. There's our coilovers, so we can adjust up or down if we so choose. Electronic park brake you can also see. And there's the wood. Yeah, it's done extremely well. So let's go to the front. And this side, this is its home here for now. We are obviously, like I said, it's for sale. So if it finds a new home, that is the plan. We have lights up in here. And our regular brake lights down here. I mean, those are signal lights, I'm pretty sure. Is how it is. Fuel fill. Let's have a look underneath. So there's our rack and pinion. Yep. Very clean, very well done. So if you want to have a better look at this truck, by all means, come on down. I am going to go grab the keys and light her up, so I will edit that out. See you in a second. So I run, again, fuel injection. It runs so nice. It's not crazy loud or anything. Yeah, it's nice. And it's off. Yeah, just these older vehicles, not a whole bunch to show in. Like, chair is pretty straightforward. I mean, it's all new and it looks it's suede. Yeah, it's suede headliner, suede sun visors. Again, custom rearview mirror with custom side mirrors. Cool. Anyway, so yeah, if you are looking for a hot rod truck, I think this is a wonderful truck. To build this truck, my goodness, it would be much, much higher in paint nowadays and labor, all the above. Wonderful. Well, come on down to Riv Classic Car Sales, 2634 Faithful Avenue in Saskatoon. Hopefully the snow this time tomorrow. Oh, it's gone with any luck. All right. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye for now.